Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? 12,700 people are subscribed our YouTube channel, so that's mean to they are all trust on ABS channel and they will earn money in a crypto. So if you also want to earn money in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Vechain coin. Absolutely, my friend, you can see here this time the thumbnail is very danger. I already tell you, my friends, so this is danger update. So why this is danger? This is very secret information for all of you, my brothers. Please kindly watch this video completely to understand better. Now my friends, VChain absolutely very fastly moving upward in a previous day, and I can't expect this from VChain to they will give me a profit in the start of month. Absolutely every coin where fails down in the start of month, I invest I think 30 to 35 my friends coin in this time, and absolutely 2 days ago to I invest in VChain again, more, my friend. So therefore, my friends, you know why I invest, my friend, in previous 2 days? Absolutely I will tell you, but you will need, my friends, to first of all listen this. The main question, my friends, the main question of holders, they say me to why after a huge jump the coin were fails down. So therefore the question is very good, and absolutely a lot of holders ask me on Instagram, so I will answering you now clearly. Remember, to win a coin we are starting moving upwards, so the holder are starting investing. They are starting investing because the price, when the holder starting investing, the price will increasing. So therefore they are more and more starting investing. But when a short term investor, my friend, starting selling, absolutely when they see a good profit in a very short time, so they are decide to this is selling time. And definitely when they are starting selling, so the coin will fails down. So therefore, my friend, in last 3 days, my friend, absolutely I found this. You can see it from September 6 to September 7 half day, my friend. You can see it September 8. So this coin will completely fails down. So therefore, my friends, the holders are very shocked towards this now. What we will need to do, because in the start of month this coin will moving forward, but why they were fails down? What the hell, what we need to do, my friends? So therefore I will tell you, I will explain you to don't worry, this is the short fails, and definitely VTN is one of the fastest coins. So my technical analysis, my prediction clearly told in upcoming time this coin will get a profit, and absolutely this is 100%. You can see, my friends, is going to be right now, because after this fails they will start moving upward, and I hope this is the resistance line, so I hope they will hit now just in only in 2 or 3 days. So if they hit just in only this line, so I will give you 100% guarantee to they will give you a profit in a very short time. So kindly holder, minus 13.38%, the price will decrease now, but don't worry, this is not a last, because I know too after a short fails they will recover this and they will give you a profit. So I hope, Vision holder, you will understand something new in this video. And please, if you are new my channel, subscribe it. If you want to earn money in a crypto, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.